intermediate vector containing tDNA are conjugation deficient. Thus, conjugation is mediated in presence of which of the following plasmid? PRK 2013, PRN3, either one or two, none of these. The correct option is option C, either one or two. MCQs number 26. Which of the following is true about tDNA? Option A, integration of tDNA can occur at many different apparently random sites in plant nuclear DNA. The correct option is option A. The integration of tDNA can occur at many different apparently random sites in the plant nuclear DNA. MCQs number 27. Which of the following is not true about direct repeat flanking tDNA? They are conserved between nopalin and octopine Ti plasmid. These repeats are transferred intact to plant genome. These are important in integration mechanism. All of above. The correct option is option B. These repeats are transferred intact to plant genome. 28. The left segment of octopine tDNA TL is necessary for enzyme for agropine biosynthesis, tumor formation, conjugative transfer, all of these. The correct option is option B, tumor formation. MCQs number 29. Macroprojectile method of gene transfer in plant involve delivery of DNA with the help of macro manipulator, with the help of biolistics, with the help of needles, any of the above. The correct option is option B, with the help of bialistic. MCQs number 30. Which of the following genes are constitutively expressed and control the plant induced activation of the our gene? Where A and where G, where C and where D, where B and where E, where A and where B. The correct option is option A, where A and where G. 31. Integrated octopine tDNA occur as single segment, 2 segment, 3 segment, 4 segment. The correct option is option B, 2 segment. MCQs number 32. Liposomes mediated gene transfer in plant involve plasmid DNA enclosed in lipid bag, fusion of liposomes with protoplast. C. Use of polyethylene glycol page, all of above. The correct option is option D, all of the above. 33. Which of the following plant signal molecules regulate the expression of A, B, C, D and E case of tobacco? The case of tobacco. Acetosyringeone A, alpha hydroxysyringeone B, both A and 2, none of these. The correct option is option C, both A and B. MCQs number 34. Which of the following is true about Agrobacterium tumefaciens? It is cause chronic disease of plant. It infect gymnosperm. It affect dicotyledon angiosperms. All of above. The correct option is option D. Agrobacterium tumefaciens cause A, B and C. MCQs number 35. In liposome mediated gene transfer in plant, nucleic acid are protected from nuclease digestion, stable in liposomes. A and B both not stable in liposomes. Correct option is option C, both A and B. 36. Advantages of macroprojectile method over microprojectile method for gene transfer in plant includes: intact cells are used, method is universal and its application irrespective of all shapes, size, type, and presence or absence of cell wall. Gene can be transferred to many cells simultaneously. All of above. The correct option is option D. All of above. 37. On Ti plasmid, T region or tDNA is flanked by direct repeat of 12 BP, 20 base pair, 25 base pair, 30 base pair. Correct option is option C, 25 base pair. 38. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, a fungi, a yeast. B is correct. It is gram-negative bacteria. 39. A plant tumor cell is complete Ti plasmid is incorporated in plant nuclear DNA. Different parts of Ti plasmid are incorporated. Only a small specific segment of callus tDNA is incorporated. May vary from plant to plant. The correct option is option C. Only small specific segment of callus tDNA is incorporated. 40. Co-integrating transformation vector must include origin of homology. Vector plasmid, Ti plasmid, between vector plasmid and Ti plasmid, none of these. C is correct. Between vector plasmid and Ti plasmid. MCQs number 41. Crown gall tissues can be cultivated in vitro in absence of bacteria. Retain tumor properties when cultivated. Both option 1 and B are true. D shows tumorous properties only in presence of bacteria. C is correct. Both A and B option is correct. MCQs number 42. Integrated nopeline tDNA occur as single segment, 2 segment, 3 segment, 4 segment. Correct option is option A, single segment. MCQs number 20. The opines are amino acid derivatives found in tumor cells, amino acid derivatives found in normal tissues, amino acid derivative found in normal tissues, amino acid derivative found in both normal as well as tumor tissues. D, none of above. The correct option is option A, amino acid derivative found in tumor tissues. MCQs number 44. Virulence trait of Agrobacterium tumefaciens is born on chromosomal DNA, tumor including plasmid DNA, both chromosomal and plasmid DNA, cryptic plasmid DNA. The correct option is option B, tumor including plasmid DNA. 45. The size of the virulent plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens is 40 to 80 kb, 80 to 120, 140 to 235 or greater than 235. The correct option is option C. 140 to 235 kb is the size of Agrobacterium tumefaciens virulent plasmid. MCQs number 46. Which of the following is not true about a helper plasmid? Option A. These are replicate in Agrobacterium. These help in mediating conjugation of intermediate vector. These cannot replicate in Agrobacterium. All of above. These can replicate in Agrobacterium is correct option. MCQs number 47. Which technique is used to introduce DNA into dicots? Electroporation, particle acceleration, macroinjection, Ti plasmid infection. Correct option is option D, Ti plasmid infection. MCQs number 48. Direct DNA uptake by protoplast can be stimulated by page, decanal, luciferin, all of 3. Correct option is A, polyethylene glycol or page.